There's a new person in town and it's enticing us to have a relationship with it. This new person is telling us how it can make our lives easier. And right now, we can do with a little bit more easier in our lives. But at what cost? And what type of relationship should we consider having with it? Should we make it our main or our side or a situationship? That is something we all have to consider before stepping into this relationship. Just like with any relationship, we should be considering whether it's going to be a long-term or a short-term investment. What role would this person play in our lives? This person is called ChatGPT. With AI evolving, ChatGPT has been enticing us to get into a relationship with it. Yes, it can make our lives easier. And yes, it can complete tasks so much faster. Things that used to take us days, weeks, and months to complete can now be completed in a matter of seconds, minutes, and hours. So who wouldn't want that? Now, when it comes to our ideals, do we allow ChatGPT to create the whole concept, or do we bring ChatGPT into certain parts of the concept? And since ideals are valuable that create wealth, then whose wealth am I creating on a long-term basis? So when I consider going into a relationship with ChatGPT, I take into consideration the type of relationship I want to have with it, with my ideals, and how much wealth and ownership am I willing to lose when I'm in this relationship. Let us know in the comments what your thoughts are and what type of relationship do you have with ChatGPT. And if you are enjoying our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.